What's going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be unboxing the new cordless drywall cutout tool from Dewalt. This is model DCE555D2. This is the kit. You can also buy this bare tool only. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing this, showing you what you get in this package, and I am also going to do a small comparison to the first generation cutout tool. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out. Now let's get into the video. All right, like I said before, this is the kit, and you can also get this bare tool only. This kit comes with the cutout tool, a bag, 2 batteries, and a charger. Okay, so first look inside the box, we got a bag. So let's grab the bag, get rid of that box. This is your standard small little bag from Dewalt. I personally liked when, I don't know, maybe it was about six years ago, maybe 4 years ago, where they gave cases with every tool. Now it's all these bags. I must have gotten, I don't know, 10, 12 of these bags. So let's open up the bag, see what we got in here. This is your standard 2 amp, 20 volt battery. The second 2 amp, 20 volt battery. You have I believe this is a, what do we got here? The 2 amp small charger. Dewalt is making a new 4 amp charger that is about the same size as this. If you guys remember, the 4 amp chargers are much larger than these ones. And this little baggie here, we got the belt clip. We got a couple bits, screw for the belt clip. And you also have the collet that allows you to change to a bigger bit in the cutout tool. Okay, now, here is the cutout tool. So again, this model is the DCE555. Right off the bat, you can see, if you guys own the first gen, the handle here is much smaller. This is the first gen. Much, much smaller. Okay, now that is the on-off button for the second gen. Compared to the first gen, you have the switch. Personally, I've always had problems with the switch. I've owned 2 or 3 of these first gen routers, and the switch is always what goes first on these. So here we have the guard. Well, nobody really truly uses those, but you got the guard. You have the toolless here. So you just push that button in, hold it, and then push that button in, and you can quickly change your bit out without needing a tool. I believe Dewalt is the only company that has a toolless design like this. First gen, same thing. If you've owned these routers, has the same thing. So you can also purchase this attachment. This is sold separately. It does not come with the kit, but I already have one. And this is the dust collection attachment. So what you're gonna do, is you're gonna take off the guard. You slide the dust accessory on like so. And this will also act as a guard, and it's a little dust collection chute that can be installed over the cutout tool. Now, this was sent to me with the prototype, so this might not be the way that the full production accessory looks or fits on the cutout tool, but this gives you an idea of what you can purchase separately as well. So yeah, that's basically it. This is a fantastic cutout tool. Yes, I did just open this. I have not used this full model yet, but I was lucky enough to be chosen to try the prototype of this model about a year ago. And yeah, I love the one-touch button. I love the smaller size. I feel that it fits in your hands better. Yes, my son here, he hands me a battery. He wants me to turn it on. So there you go. One touch. No holding the button to turn it on and off like a couple other brands. You also have a light there. So if you are on the market for a new cutout tool and you are on the Dewalt platform, definitely head out there. Grab yourself a 2nd gen cutout tool. And if you're not on the Dewalt platform and you're looking for a platform to grab some drywall tools, Dewalt is a great option. Very well priced, very good tools. Definitely recommend them. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.